Walsall tenants, if you're after a 3-bedroom property in the south of Walsall in the Delves area, I've got a great property to show you around today. So if you stick with me for 2 minutes, I'll take you around for a video tour. Okay, so here I'm sure the camera's just showing you, giving you a quick glance. I'll just take you back around here again. We are in the Delves area of Walsall WS5. If you look down that side, you'll see this road leads you up to the Bescot Stadium. So further up is the Joseph Lecky School. Then you've got the Bescot Retail Park and the Bescot Stadium, the Sunday Market over there. And then if the camera turns around to this side, maybe might be better off showing down the road from here. And this side leads you down to the A34 Birmingham Road, which takes you into Birmingham, and also you've got the M6 Junction 7 that side as well. So we're not too far around here from the Cambridge station. The Bescot Stadium is also along this road down that side. So straight across you've obviously got a convenience store. Some properties have been built over here. Just over there on the right is a block of apartments that's recently been built. And what you've got next door to this property is an education centre for children. So the property here, you've got a driveway for a couple of cars. It's semi-detached. Kind of garage cum store on your left-hand side. Yeah, and if we go in, I'll take you inside and show you around. Okay, so entrance is via this little storm porch, and then you come in to the entrance hallway. I'll shut the door for the camera. Right, so hallway, lovely hallway with stairs going upstairs. You've got a door to the kitchen over here, and you've got 2 living rooms. So front reception and a rear reception room, and then a kitchen. So if we'll take you into the front reception room, a beautiful bay window, inset fire, marble hearth. This is your thermostat for your boiler, combination gas-fired boiler. Obviously it's got central heating. Laminate flooring downstairs, carpeted upstairs. You've got lots of electric points on either side of the fireplace. I believe, is this fire, I'm looking for a gas point. It looks like it's electric. You can see the trunking there. It's an electric fire. Yeah, and you can put your TV here. There's a TV aerial and point over there as well. Decorated to a good standard. There's nothing that needs to be done straight away. Neutrally done, as you can see, with cream paint and white gloss. So when you're ready, I'll take you to the next room. Okay, so straight out into the hallway and out into the second living room. Similar kind of fireplace with your inset fire. You've got laminate flooring. Lots of good electric points again on both sides. You've got, it looks like aerial points in both places. So you've got an aerial point over here and an aerial point over there. It depends how you want to configure the room. You've got options and choice, a bit like the front room as well. Again, if this fire, this one looks like it's gas, this one. And then you've got this lovely door that opens up into the garden. If I can get this to turn, we'll quickly take you out into the garden. Really good patio area in the beginning. And then you've got, obviously, a sitting area, barbecue area, kind of family chilling out place. A good sized garden with a shed at the bottom. And I think it's beginning to snow, which is great. You can get to the side utility. We'll go in through the kitchen from here, but you can get to the side utility from out here as well. Yeah, satellite dish and stuff is up there as well. Okay, so when you're ready, we'll go in. It's too cold to stay out for too long today. Okay, so yeah, if you want to carry on, just let's go to the kitchen. Come on. So you turn right into the kitchen. The property is alarmed. But the property is also fully alarmed. Okay, so you've got the kitchen, a range of base and wall units. You've got a gas-fired cooker, a freestanding cooker as well. And just to this side, I'll just show you, this door opens up into a downstairs WC where you've got the electric meters over here as well. So an additional guest WC downstairs. Okay. And then through here, I'll show you the utilities area. Okay, so I'll just let the camera just have a quick look to the right and left. There's just two doors, one going out to the garden. The one on the left is going out to the garage that we saw outside. So you can go in from this side, and the door to your right is leading out to the garden. Okay, so I'll just close this door and we'll have a quick tour of the upstairs. Okay, so up the stairs, we've got new carpets on the stairs and landing. And then we'll do the bedroom. If you want to turn right, smallest bedroom first. This is the smallest one. It's a bit of a box room. I'll be honest with you, it's a bit tight in here. I mean, I can't even stretch my arms fully, and I'm about 5'10". So you'll probably get a small kind of 3/4 bed in here if you wanted to, but I'd turn this into an office nowadays. Everyone working from home and stuff, turn into a little office, a little games room or something. And then if you turn right into, this is the front bedroom facing the road. Lovely bay window again, matches the one downstairs. And this is your front aspect. Obviously, you'd expect a property like this to be double glazed. Okay, it's not much to say really, except again, it's painted, decorated. It's ready and in that condition to be able to just put your furniture down and you're ready to go. Not much to be done here. Okay, so I'll just close this door and then take you into the third bedroom. So we've got two double bedrooms. This one's facing the garden. Again, we've got the carpets laid down as same as the hallway. You've got electric points there. I think there's a telephone, the old TeleWest cable and wireless. No, Virgin Media point over here. Electric points there, and on that wall as well. I'm not sure what's behind here. Oh, there is another electric point behind there as well. So lots of electric points around the property. And then lastly, the bathroom, when you're ready. I'll let the camera go into there. So if you see the bathroom, we've got what you'd expect, your standard WC wash and basin, your bath, a little vanity unit, radiator, towel rail, and electric shower. I always like these properties with electric showers because if your boiler did fail, and unfortunately these things do, the boiler's inside here, then you've got at least hot water from an electric shower. So there's a combination boiler in here. The alarm control panel is in here as well. That's it, a little airing cupboard for your towels. Okay, and that's it. That's your property. So I'll just end the video tour here. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this gave you a good insight into the accommodation that's available at this property. Links are in the description. If you want to make inquiries, please call us or email us, and we'll be glad to take you forward to the next stage of the process. So thanks for watching again, and take care till the next one.